Thank you very much. In our routine inspection to find out what our contractors are doing, whether they are doing up to the quality as required, and whether the tag giving, if they will tag giving, whether they will meet up. Thank God with Life Camp N5 and it's completely finished. You were there when the Prof.Mgbeke said in 3 weeks' time they would have finished. What they are working on is the walkways, and then the street lights are already there. Last time we went there, I remember that the bridges were not completed, but today we can see that the bridges are completed, 4 lanes, each of the sides. So we're happy it's one of those projects that we think will be inaugurated in the present third year in office. Here again, we're in Kasana. You can see the work going on, carried out by Lubrix or Krimborg, I think.
Lubrix.
Okay, Lubrix Construction. Very impressed with the quality of work. I didn't know that it's like a ring road covering over 10 point something kilometers. I've asked the company, and from what I've seen, they're really going to meet up the May, June. I sincerely thank them and believe that on our own part, we'll make sure that they get the necessary funding so as to finish this project on time. But we're very happy.
Okay, away from the project inspection, the media was awash since last night to this afternoon that the president had yet brokered a peace between you and your successors to the extent that your successors had to follow you to your house and beg. Can you please shed more light?
I didn't know you were there to know that. All I can tell you, yes, Mr. President has been very kind to the people of the state. If there seems to be a problem between the legislature and the governor, and as a father, he really has to intervene. I remember this is the second time Mr. President is intervening. I believe, by the grace of God, this will be the last time. I believe that the Assembly, I've told them to do the needful to obey Mr. President, which I know they will not hesitate. And I also believe that the governor will carry out his own part to make sure that this is the final time Rivers people will begin to hear this kind of discord. So that is it.
That's all.